You've probably been told that buying a reliable car means spending big money on luxury brands. But what if I told you that some of the most expensive vehicles on the market are actually the quickest to break down? Premium badges with budget-level engineering that'll leave you stranded. In this video, we're revealing the 30 most reliable cars that easily last over 200,000 miles, ranked by real data from over 402 million vehicles. And trust me, the cars that made this list will blow your mind. From transmissions that fail at 80,000 miles to engines designed by people who clearly never heard of longevity, reliability is the auto industry's biggest lie. The #1 most reliable vehicle costs less than half of what most people think they need to spend for bulletproof transportation. Watch every second of this countdown, because this isn't just a review. It's the difference between financial freedom and car payment hell. Ignore this, and you'll join the millions of drivers who learned the hard way that expensive doesn't mean reliable. Number 30, Hyundai Santa Fe. Starting our countdown at number 30, the Hyundai Santa Fe represents the new generation of reliable Korean engineering. While Hyundai once struggled with durability issues, the Santa Fe has proven that modern manufacturing can produce vehicles that consistently exceed 200,000 miles. This midsize SUV combines family practicality with surprising longevity, though it requires consistent maintenance to reach its full potential. Number 29, Acura MDX. The Acura MDX takes luxury and reliability seriously. As Honda's premium SUV offering, it inherits the legendary Honda durability while adding upscale features. Owners frequently report smooth operation well beyond 200,000 miles, with the V6 engine proving particularly robust. The MDX demonstrates that you don't have to sacrifice longevity for luxury. Number 28, Nissan Maxima. Don't underestimate the Nissan Maxima. This full-size sedan has earned its place with 1.3% of units reaching 200,000 miles, which might sound low but actually exceeds many competitors. The Maxima's VI-Q engine family has powered millions of Nissans to high mileage, and proper maintenance keeps these sedans running smooth even after 2 decades. Number 27, Chevrolet Impala. The Chevrolet Impala proves American engineering can compete with the best. With 1.5% of units reaching 200,000 miles, this full-size sedan offers spacious comfort and surprising durability. Many fleet operators chose Impala specifically because they could handle high-mileage service with minimal issues. The key is following the maintenance schedule religiously. Number 26, Lexus ES. Lexus built the ES to be the reliable luxury sedan that never breaks down. Toyota's luxury division took their proven Camry platform and elevated it with premium materials and refined engineering. ES owners consistently report trouble-free operation past 200,000 miles, with some vehicles still running perfectly at 300,000 miles and beyond. Number 25, Lexus RX. The Lexus RX revolutionized the luxury SUV market and set new standards for reliability. Built on Toyota's solid foundation, the RX combines luxury features with mechanical dependability. Consumer Reports consistently rates newer RX models among the most reliable luxury SUVs, and owner testimonials confirm these vehicles routinely exceed 200,000 miles without major issues. Number 24, Subaru Forester. Subaru's reputation for building vehicles that last forever gets strong support from the Forester. This compact SUV handles harsh weather conditions and rough roads while maintaining exceptional reliability. Subaru currently leads Consumer Reports' brand reliability rankings, and the Forester exemplifies why. All-wheel drive comes standard, making it perfect for drivers who need capability without sacrificing dependability. Number 23, Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback created an entirely new vehicle category and proved that wagon SUV hybrids could be incredibly durable. With Subaru's current position as the most reliable brand according to Consumer Reports, the Outback combines rugged capability with car-like efficiency. Many owners report their Outbacks running strong well past 250,000 miles. especially with proper head gasket maintenance on older models. Number 22. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius proved that hybrid technology could be both efficient and durable. With 1.3% of units reaching 200,000 miles, the Prius shows that complex hybrid systems can actually enhance longevity when properly engineered. Many taxi companies switched to Prius vehicles specifically because they could handle extreme high-mileage service while delivering exceptional fuel economy. Number 21. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry represents everything Toyota does right. With 1.5% of units reaching 200,000 miles and the 2025 model earning Consumer Reports trouble-free rating, the Camry continues Toyota's legacy of building sedans that simply refuse to quit. Generations of families have relied on Camrys to provide dependable transportation for decades, and current models maintain that tradition. Now here's something important you need to know before we continue. The vehicles we're covering represent more than just transportation. They're investments in your financial future. If you want to see which vehicle claims the top spot and learn the maintenance secrets that can double your car's lifespan, make sure you're subscribed, because the next 10 vehicles will shock you with their incredible durability numbers. Number 20. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V has dominated the compact SUV segment for good reason. With 13.9% of units reaching 250,000 miles, that's 1.6 times the average vehicle's chance. The CR-V proves that practical doesn't mean disposable. This SUV consistently ranks among the most reliable vehicles in Consumer Reports testing, and real-world owners confirm these vehicles routinely exceed 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Number 19. GMC Yukon. The GMC Yukon takes everything great about Chevrolet's full-size SUVs and adds GMC's premium touches. With 14.6% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Yukon demonstrates that large SUVs can be surprisingly durable. These vehicles excel in heavy-duty applications, like towing and hauling, while maintaining reliability that keeps families mobile for decades. Number 18. Nissan Titan. The Nissan Titan represents Nissan's commitment to competing in the full-size truck market with serious durability. With 14.8% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Titan proves that Nissan's truck engineering can stand up to the competition. The robust V8 engine and heavy-duty construction make this truck capable of handling demanding work while lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. Number 17. Toyota Highlander. The non-hybrid Toyota Highlander earns its place with 15.7% of units reaching 250,000 miles. This three-row SUV combines family practicality with Toyota's legendary reliability, making it perfect for families who need space and dependability. The Highlander's track record speaks for itself. These SUVs consistently deliver trouble-free service for hundreds of thousands of miles. Number 16. Ford F-150. America's best-selling truck for over 4 decades, the Ford F-150 proves its durability with 15.8% of units reaching 250,000 miles. That's 1.8 times better than the average vehicle. The F-150's various engine options and configurations have powered American businesses and families for generations, with many examples still working hard after 300,000 miles or more. Number 15. GMC Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra 1500 shares mechanical components with the Chevrolet Silverado, but adds GMC's professional-grade touches. With 16.1% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Sierra demonstrates that full-size pickups can combine capability with impressive longevity. These trucks handle demanding work applications while providing reliable daily transportation for decades. Number 14. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has set the standard for mid-size sedan reliability for over 4 decades. With 16.6% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Accord proves that mainstream sedans can deliver exceptional durability. Consumer Reports rates 3 to 7 Accord model years as highly reliable, and countless owners report their Accords running smoothly well beyond 300,000 miles. Number 13, Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot brings Honda's reliability reputation to the three-row SUV segment. With 17.5% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Pilot shows that family haulers can be incredibly durable. This SUV combines the space families need with the dependability Honda is famous for, making it a smart choice for long-term ownership. Number 12, Chevrolet Tahoe. The Chevrolet Tahoe has served as America's full-size family SUV for decades, and its durability numbers prove why families keep choosing it. With 17.7% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Tahoe demonstrates that large SUVs can deliver exceptional longevity. These vehicles excel at family duty while maintaining the capability to handle serious work when needed. Number 11, GMC Yukon XL. The GMC Yukon XL extends the regular Yukon's wheelbase and cargo capacity while maintaining impressive durability. With 17.9% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Yukon XL proves that even extended-length SUVs can deliver exceptional longevity. Families who need maximum space don't have to sacrifice reliability with this vehicle. Number 10, Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Breaking into our top 10, the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 represents American truck durability at its finest. With 18.8% of units reaching 250,000 miles, that's 2.2 times the average vehicle's chance. The Silverado proves that full-size pickups can handle decades of demanding service. These trucks power American businesses and provide reliable family transportation for hundreds of thousands of miles. But here's where things get really interesting. The top 9 vehicles on our list represent the absolute pinnacle of automotive durability. These machines don't just exceed 200,000 miles, they make it look easy. Number 9, Lexus GX. The Lexus GX combines luxury with serious off-road capability and exceptional durability. With 20.7% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the GX proves that luxury SUVs can be incredibly reliable. Built on Toyota's proven truck platform, the GX delivers Land Cruiser-level capability with Lexus refinement, making it perfect for owners who need reliability in any environment. Number 8, Toyota Avalon. The Toyota Avalon represents Toyota's full-size sedan excellence. With 22.0% of units reaching 250,000 miles, that's 2.5 times the average vehicle's chance. The Avalon combines comfort with exceptional reliability. This sedan appeals to drivers who want luxury features with Toyota's legendary dependability, and owner reports confirm these vehicles routinely exceed 300,000 miles. Number 7, Chevrolet Suburban. Tied for 7th place, the Chevrolet Suburban has defined the full-size SUV segment for over 8 decades. With 22.0% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Suburban proves that the largest SUVs can be surprisingly durable. Families, businesses, and government agencies choose Suburbans specifically because they can handle demanding service for decades while providing unmatched capability. Number 6, Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline takes a unique approach to pickup truck design and proves that innovation can enhance reliability. With 25.8% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the Ridgeline demonstrates that unibody construction doesn't compromise durability. This truck's car-like ride quality and exceptional reliability make it perfect for buyers who need truck capability with Honda dependability. Number 5, Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid proves that hybrid technology can actually enhance durability when properly executed. With 25.9% of units reaching 250,000 miles, this 3-row SUV combines excellent fuel economy with exceptional reliability. The hybrid system's regenerative braking actually reduces wear on traditional brake components, contributing to the vehicle's impressive longevity. Number 4. Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma dominates the midsize truck segment for good reason. With 26.7% of units reaching 250,000 miles, that's 3.1 times the average vehicle's chance, the Tacoma proves that smaller trucks can be incredibly durable. While some model years receive lower reliability ratings from Consumer Reports, the overall longevity data shows these trucks consistently exceed 200,000 miles with proper care. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner represents pure automotive durability. With 26.8% of units reaching 250,000 miles, the 4Runner proves that body-on-frame construction and simple, proven engineering create vehicles that last forever. This SUV's rugged design handles off-road abuse while providing decades of reliable transportation, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts who need dependability in remote locations. Number 2. Toyota Sequoia. In second place, the Toyota Sequoia demonstrates that full-size SUVs can achieve incredible durability. With 36.4% of units reaching 250,000 miles, that's 4.2 times the average vehicle's chance. The Sequoia proves that large families don't have to sacrifice reliability for space. Built on Toyota's proven truck platform, the Sequoia combines 3-row capability with legendary Toyota dependability. Number 1. Toyota Tundra. Taking the top spot, the Toyota Tundra represents the pinnacle of pickup truck reliability. With 36.6% of units reaching 250,000 miles, that's 4.2 times better than the average vehicle. The Tundra proves that full-size trucks can be incredibly durable. The 2013, 2014, 2021, and 2022 models show particularly strong reliability, with some examples reaching 400,000 miles and beyond. One owner recently documented their 2007 Tundra reaching 1 million miles with meticulous maintenance, proving that these trucks can literally last a lifetime. The Tundra's robust V8 engine and heavy-duty construction make it capable of handling the most demanding applications while delivering reliability that exceeds every competitor. Here's what separates vehicles that reach 200,000 miles from those that don't. Maintenance consistency. Follow the manufacturer's service schedule religiously, with oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Address minor issues immediately before they become major problems. Check maintenance records carefully when buying used vehicles, and choose model years with strong reliability ratings from Consumer Reports. These 30 vehicles represent more than transportation, they're financial investments. While the average car loses value rapidly, vehicles that consistently exceed 200,000 miles maintain their worth and provide transportation value that can span decades. Choose wisely, maintain properly, and your next vehicle could be the last one you need to buy for the next 20 years. The most reliable cars deliver decades of dependable service without breaking your bank account. While these 30 vehicles represent the best long-term investments, I know many of you are curious about what happens when manufacturers prioritize luxury over reliability. If you want to see the perfect example of expensive engineering gone wrong, check out my video, Why It Sucks to Own a Range Rover, right here. I reveal the shocking maintenance costs, reliability nightmares, and hidden ownership expenses that Range Rover doesn't want you to know. Don't fall for the luxury car trap. Watch that video next and discover why spending more doesn't always mean getting better reliability.